Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car polishers for beginners available on the market today based on their true quality, features, and performance. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a reliable tool for your car detailing projects, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's dive right into it. Coming in at number 5, we have the GeviLife Buffer Polisher, a rotary polisher with a powerful 1600-watt motor designed for heavy-duty car detailing tasks. This unit boasts 7 variable speeds ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, giving you precise control for delicate sanding or aggressive polishing. The ergonomic design includes both the detachable D handle and side handle, making it comfortable for extended use. Plus, its lightweight build at just 4.5 pounds helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions. The GeviLife excels at handling tough oxidation, scratches, and stains, making it an excellent option for users looking to restore their car's shine. Its included sponge pads, wool pads, and sandpapers allow for versatile applications beyond cars, such as furniture, floors, or boats. However, keep in mind that this model is compatible only with M14 polishing discs, which limits pad options slightly. While this polisher offers impressive power and versatility, its slightly louder operation and price point make it less beginner-friendly compared to others on this list. That said, if you're looking for professional-grade performance and can handle its rotary-style design, this is a solid choice. Pros include its powerful motor and wide range of applications, while cons include limited disc compatibility and a steeper learning curve for beginners. At number 4, we have the Aoben Car Buffer Polisher, a 6-inch dual-action polisher that delivers a swirl-free finish with its random orbital motion and 6 variable speeds ranging from 1000 to 4500 RPM. This machine is powered by a 700-watt motor and features a thoughtful ergonomic design with both side and top handles, allowing you to choose the most comfortable grip for your polishing tasks. The included heat-insulating plastic headshell adds durability and safety during operation. The Aoben polisher is incredibly versatile, making it ideal for sanding, polishing, waxing, and sealing glaze on cars, boats, furniture, and more. The kit includes 4 buffing pads, including foam and synthetic wool discs, so you're well equipped for multiple detailing scenarios. It's also designed to protect delicate surfaces with its random orbit motion, making it perfect for beginners learning the ropes of car detailing. On the downside, the machine can stop during lower speed settings if excessive pressure is applied, which may frustrate users who are still developing their technique. Additionally, the 6.5-inch foam pads make it slightly bulkier than other options, requiring careful maneuvering in tighter spaces. Pros include its ergonomic design and versatility, while cons include occasional motor hesitation at lower speeds and limited pad compatibility. At number 3, we have the Protemex Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, a 2025 upgraded model that brings convenience to car detailing with its cordless design. This buffer is powered by two 21-volt, 2,000 mAh batteries, providing up to 100 minutes of runtime. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's one of the lightest options on our list, making it easy to maneuver around your vehicle without the hassle of cords getting tangled or caught. With 6 adjustable speeds, ranging from 2800 to 5500 RPM, this polisher lets you customize the speed for various tasks, such as waxing, polishing, or removing scratches. The kit includes an impressive 18-piece accessory set, from sponge and wool pads to sandpapers, ensuring you have everything you need to tackle different surfaces. This polisher is ideal for users who value portability and versatility, as it can be used on cars, furniture, ceramic, and metal. While the cordless feature is a game-changer, the battery life might not be sufficient for larger projects, and charging downtime can be inconvenient. Additionally, its smaller motor compared to corded options might not offer the same level of power for heavy-duty tasks. Pros include its lightweight, cordless design and extensive accessory kit, while cons include limited runtime and less power than corded models. Coming in at number 2 is the LDHTHOP Dual Action Polisher, a 980W powerhouse with a 9mm random orbital motion that's perfect for beginners looking to achieve professional results. This polisher offers 6 variable speeds, adjustable from 2800 to 5800 RPM, making it versatile for various applications. The switch-lock design allows you to maintain a consistent speed so you can focus on perfecting your technique without constantly adjusting controls. The LDHTHOP polisher comes with 8 detachable pads, giving you options for different materials and tasks. Its detachable D handle and side handle offer flexibility in grip, ensuring comfortable use for long periods. Additionally, the pure copper motor delivers consistent power that's capable of removing swirls, scratches, and oxidation with ease. The wide range of applications makes it suitable for not only cars, but also furniture, glass, wood, and metal. While this polisher provides excellent performance, its slightly heavier build at 7.48 pounds may require some adjustment for new users. Additionally, it's corded, which limits mobility compared to cordless options. Pros include its powerful motor, versatility, and beginner-friendly design, while cons include its weight and corded nature. Finally, at number 1, we have the SPTA Buffer Polisher, a 5-inch dual-action orbital polisher with a robust 750-watt motor that delivers consistent and smooth performance. This polisher is designed for beginners and pros alike, offering a 6-speed control dial ranging from 2,000 to 5,200 RPM. Whether you're waxing, polishing, or removing paint defects, this tool can handle it all. The ergonomic design includes both a side handle and a D handle for maximum comfort during operation. What sets the SPTA apart is its comprehensive detailing kit, which includes 4 polishing pads in different sizes, wool pads, sanding discs, compounds, aprons, gloves, and even a storage bag. This makes it an all-in-one solution for car detailing, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. The constant power and smooth start features make it user-friendly, while the lightweight build at 12.12 pounds ensures easy handling. Although it's slightly heavier than some models, its high-quality performance and extensive accessory kit make it the best value for its price. Pros include its versatile speed settings, comprehensive kit, and beginner-friendly design, while cons include its slightly heavier build and corded nature. Overall, this polisher earns the top spot for its balance of affordability, performance, and user experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful in choosing the perfect car polisher for beginners. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.